Today we're making a fiery chili tomato sauce that is perfect as a base for pizzas, pastas or wraps. Take 2 kilograms of fresh tomatoes and 2 kilograms of red chilies. Wash them well and remove the stems from the chilies. Blend the red chilies into a smooth paste and transfer into a large pot. Next, cut and blend the tomatoes, then add them into the pot as well. Peel 1 whole garlic bulb, blend it and add that in too. Turn on the heat and season with 1 teaspoon of tartary powder, also known as cream of tartar. Cook the mixture until it reduces and becomes a thick, rich paste. Once ready, turn off the heat and stir in 5 tablespoons of neutral oil. Pour the sauce into clean, sterilized glass jars. Seal tightly and refrigerate. And there you have it, your homemade chili tomato sauce that is spicy, flavorful, and ready to take any dish to the next level.